This is our indoor unit, and here is the digital LED display. At night, it will conceal, so it will not disturb your sleeping. And here is the logo size. We can OEM customers' logo, and this is the airflow position. And normal configuration is from up to down, and we can also make from left to right. And this is the filter, and this is the PCB position. This is the indoor unit evaporator. You can see this is the double roll, and it's made of roofing. It's made of high quality. You can see the soldering is very clean and well, and the PCB board is manufactured by big factory, so the quality is assured. This is the back side of indoor unit. For the drain pipe, we can customize according to customers' requirements, and also this is the plug. This is our outdoor unit. We can OEM customers' brand here. We can make a blue fin or golden fin optional. And this is the fan blade, and this is the motor. This is the compressor. For the compressor, we mostly use GMCC rich or highly. This is the 3-meter copper pipe. It's made of 100% pure copper. We can also OEM the length according to customers' requirements for 4 meter or 5 meter. This is the indoor unit accessory. As you can see, there is one menu, one remote control, and 2 batteries. And we also have the remote control bracket option.